Cleaning can feel like a never-ending battle, especially when stubborn stains refuse to budge. Here are the 5 best electric spin scrubbers I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Bombs Electric Spin Scrubber. First up is the Bombs Electric Spin Scrubber, priced at $46.19. What caught my attention was its ergonomic design and the fact that it comes with 8 replaceable brush heads. If you want a versatile and effective cleaning tool, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a battery that lasts up to 90 minutes and dual speed settings of 300 and 400 RPM, you can tackle everything from your bathroom tiles to your car upholstery. It even has 3 adjustable lengths, so you can clean without bending over, which is a game changer for those with back issues. Over 10,000 units were sold last month, and people rave about its ease of use. Now some people complained about the battery taking a while to charge fully at about 2-3 hours. Here's the thing though, once it's charged, you get an hour and a half of cleaning time, which is pretty solid for a cordless scrubber. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one cleaning solution that won't wear you out. Skip this if you need something that charges super fast. If you can manage the weight, it's a great value for money. Now, if the Bombs scrubber's charging time bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, TUIU Electric Spin Scrubber. Next up is the TUIU Electric Spin Scrubber, available for $51.32. Its power LCD display really caught my eye, making it easy to monitor battery life. If you want a scrubber that allows you to clean smarter, not harder, this is worth your attention. The TUIU scrubber operates at an impressive 450 RPM, which means those stubborn stains, they'll be gone in no time. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can rinse it under the faucet without worrying about damaging the device. It also has an adjustable stainless steel handle that extends from 26 to 45 inches, helping you to reach those tricky spots without any strain on your back. With over 10,000 sold last month, it's clear shoppers are loving this. However, some users noted that the brushes might wear out quicker when used on very rough surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it on tiles or glass, that shouldn't be an issue at all. This is a great fit for anyone who values convenience and time-saving features in their cleaning routine. Just skip it if you need something that can handle heavy-duty scrubbing on rough surfaces, but for regular cleaning, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, PUFTEM Electric Spin Scrubber. Coming in at $28.22, we have the PUFTEM Electric Spin Scrubber. Its lightweight design really stood out to me, making it easy to maneuver around the house. If you want something that's easy to use without sacrificing cleaning power, this could be your go-to. This scrubber features 6 replaceable heads, which means it can handle a variety of cleaning tasks, from bathrooms to car wheels. Plus, with a runtime of up to 180 minutes after a quick 2.5-hour charge, you won't be interrupted while cleaning. The 350 and 400 RPM settings allow you to choose the intensity you need, helping you tackle everyday grime or tougher stains effortlessly. Now, some users mentioned that it felt a bit flimsy, especially when applying pressure. But honestly, if you're careful and let the scrubber do the work, you'll find it holds up well under normal use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet effective scrubbing solution. Skip this one if you need something that feels super heavy-duty. It's more suited for regular household tasks. With its price point, it offers great value for your money. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, HiEyes Electric Spin Scrubber. At $38.49, the HiEyes Electric Spin Scrubber is next on my list. What impressed me the most was its adjustable length feature, allowing you to clean without straining your back. If you want a scrubber that adapts to your needs, this one is definitely worth considering. The 90-minute battery life is solid, and it charges quickly too. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, meaning you can use it in wet areas without worry. It's lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and perfect for cleaning high or low spaces. However, some users did express concerns about the brush heads being a bit overly soft, which made them worry about stubborn stains. But here's the thing, if you're using it on delicate surfaces, that might actually be a plus, allowing you to clean without scratching. This scrubber is great for anyone who struggles with back pain while cleaning. Skip it if you're looking for a super aggressive scrubbing tool for tough jobs. It's more about comfortable, efficient cleaning. Now let's wrap it up with a fantastic budget-friendly option. Product number 5, LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber. Last but not least is the LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber, priced at $34.73. Its ergonomic design really stood out to me, making it easier on your back during long cleaning sessions. If you want an efficient and thoughtful cleaning tool, take a closer look here. With a high-speed motor that can reach up to 400 RPM, this scrubber takes on tough stains effectively. The 7 replaceable brush heads mean you can adapt to any cleaning need, from bathtubs to kitchen floors. Plus, it has a respectable runtime of 90 minutes after just 3.5 hours of charging. It's also quite portable, which is a major perk for those who like to keep things tidy. However, some users mentioned that the build quality could feel a bit less premium. Here's the thing though, for the price and performance, it still delivers fantastic value that most people will appreciate. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable scrubber that doesn't break the bank. Skip it if you're seeking a luxury gadget. This one is about function over form. Now, let's wrap this up and compare all these options. So let's compare these 5 scrubbers quickly. The BOMS is great for versatility, the TUIU excels in convenience, the PUFTEM offers an affordable lightweight option, the HIES is perfect for back pain sufferers, and the LABIGO provides efficient cleaning without breaking the bank. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the TUIU Electric Spin Scrubber because of its impressive power and user-friendly features. On the flip side, I'd avoid the HIES if you're looking for something heavy-duty, as it may not be tough enough for really stubborn grime. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.